Hi YouTube, Roseannya here. In this video, I'll be telling you about my solar project. I chose solar because it has three big advantages for me. 1. It's environmentally friendly. 2. It's free to use and lasts at least 25 years, paying for itself within a decade. And 3. It makes my system pure DC, eliminating noise from AC to DC power supplies. This is a massive advantage for my shortwave radio listening hobby. Here is a little example of my laptop using its official AC adapter. It's not very good, is it? And this is the same laptop with a DC adapter. The difference with a full DC setup is very impressive, isn't it? I started my system with a Renogy 100 watt folding panel and a GoLabs R150 power station. This worked out fantastic during sunny days, but it wasn't very reliable with multiple cloudy days. Quickly, I added another panel, more battery storage, and at the end of November, I added a third panel to the system, which has helped get enough power to manage the winter darkness. Since the 18th of September 2022, I've managed to power all of my phone, tablet, and laptop power usage from my solar system, which is quite amazing. I've made a graph of my battery status during November 2022 to give you an example of the reliability of the system. December is the most challenging month to stay 100% solar for all of my personal devices due to the really short days, but fingers crossed that I'll stay powered through December. I look forward to sharing more updates on my solar setup and making more videos on solar stuff. Till vi möttes igen. Ha det!